What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Young and Alive by Bazzi. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 3rd fret. It's using a few different chords that pretty much just repeat throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Now the chords you need to know for the song are going to be C major, it's 032010, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. Then you're going to go G major, which is 320003, ring finger 3rd fret low E, middle finger 2nd fret A, pinky finger on the high E on the 3rd fret. Then we're going to go F bar chord, F major. It's going to be 1-3-3-2-1-1. Bar the entire 1st fret with your index finger, ring finger 3rd fret A, pinky finger 3rd fret D, middle finger 2nd fret G. And finally, you will need a D minor. It's going to be 000231, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G, ring finger 3rd fret B, index finger 1st fret high E. Now the chord progressions for both the verses and the choruses are almost identical. I will show you how they differ just a little bit. Starting with the verses, they just alternate between the chord progression of C, G, F, and then C, G, D minor. They just go back and forth between those two for the verses. The chorus, which is what the song starts with, is C, G, F, C, G, F, and then C, G, D minor, C, G, F. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the strumming pattern for it, because the strumming pattern is the same for both of those, and I'll play through both of them a few times so you can really see what they look like. Starting with the verse, it's going to be down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. So on your C, it's down, 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 up. Switch to G, up, down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, up, down, down, down. Down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, up, down, down, down. So from the beginning of the verse, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 down, down. Now using that exact same strumming pattern, I'm going to show you what the chorus looks like, starting here. Down, 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 up, 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 But guys, that's all there is to it. Keep practicing, you will have this song down in no time. Now the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm gonna pick 2 winners. One is gonna receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is gonna win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm gonna be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm gonna live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.